Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling a compact workspace and laying out the base, trunk core, leaf stock, and tools. This saves time once you begin. Cut the dowel or tube to height, then slightly taper one end for realistic trunk shape. Once done, drill or carve a 1/4 pilot hole into the base for the trunk. This secures the tree later and prevents splitting. Make sure to keep scrap pieces. They become texture and reinforcement during the next steps. You now build the trunk's surface and fronds to give life to the model. Wrap the core with paper strips, glue, and sculpt seams for fibrous bark. This adds volume without heavy weight. Next, make each frond by folding craft paper over 0.5 mm wire, trim serrations, and secure with glue at the base. Once assembled, prime and paint the trunk using 2 tones, then dry brush highlights so shadows read from a distance. After that, assemble fronds on the trunk. You finish by mounting the trunk into the base using epoxy and optional pins for long-term stability. Let cure fully before handling. Glue the fronds around the crown in staggered layers so they avoid uniform spacing. Then blend paint touch-ups and seal with matte varnish to protect colors. If a frond sags or detaches, reinforce it by inserting a thin wire deeper into the trunk or re-gluing the base of the frond and clamping briefly. Make sure to inspect for balance before display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.